So this is my 1972 Kohler. Goes to my John Deere 112. It ran when I got it, but I took it inside and I have replaced the seal that was leaking right here. I rebuilt the fuel pump. So now she's gonna work good. I'm waiting for my coil. The points were good. I cleaned them up. I'm waiting for a condenser, a coil. I have the H10C spark plug that goes to this motor. I'm buying a carburetor for this one. I did keep the choke plate just for the simple fact to keep it somewhat original with the carburetor. So let's go take a look out here. And here's the tractor. 1972 electric lift 112 from John Deere. Here, we'll do a cold start on it. Oh yeah, check this out. We have taillights. Alright, let's do the cold start. So what I was saying about the choke plate that comes on the aftermarket carb is one of these. So what you do is you take this choke plate off and you put the choke plate from the original carburetor, which had louvers. It would suck them open when it caught speed, so it would run smooth instead of rough like usual tractors would usually run, kind of rough. And I like that design because it pulls better fuel and it mixes better so that it doesn't, it's just to make it run smoother when you first start it. As you saw with the other engine, it started up and it didn't run rough. It ran good. So, to tell which year your engine is, this serial number starts with a 40. So 40 in the manual to 49 is a 72. And a 50 to 59 is a 73. So, and this is the Kohler K301 AS, if you can see that. But there you go.